Hi students, already we have discussed about the electron displacement effect. The first electron displacement effect we are discussed about the inductive effect. I think you already know about the inductive effect. So here we are discussing about the application of this inductive effect. The first application we can say it has the stability of carbocation. We know that inductive effect are two types, plus I effect and minus I effect. So plus I effect, stability of the carbocation. We all know that carbocation means it is a positive charge on the carbon. Plus I effect means it is the electron releasing group effect. Okay, so what will happen if there is a carbocation and in that carbocation carbon having more plus I effect groups means it will get more electron from that plus I effect. So what will happen, that positive charge will become stabilized. So alkyl group having more positive means more plus I effect, so that will release electrons to that carbon, positive carbon, so that will stabilize that ion. Here we can see that tertiary carbocation having more stabilization than secondary, primary and methyl carbocation. And also we are discussing about the stability of carbocation. What are the different factors destabilizing this carbocation? Decreasing alkyl substitution. Decreasing alkyl substitution means this alkyl substitution is replaced by hydrogen. What will happen? This inductive effect will decreases. So that carbocation stability will decrease. The same thing which I discussed earlier are discussing like this only. The carbon are slightly electron rich and can donate these electrons to the carbocation. Each alkyl group added to a carbocation will increase its stability. Hydrogen do not have excess electron density to donate, so adjacent hydrogen do not stabilize the carbocation. Electronegativity of carbon is the 2.5 and electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.2. And next the electronegativity effect, that means plus I effect. Due to that plus I effect, what will happen? This an acid is there near to this acidic group. If there is any electronegative group, that means minus I effect group, what will happen? That electron will attract towards that electronegative group. That means the minus I effect group, electron withdrawing group. So what will happen? That oxygen will become more means that this oxygen will have less electro density. So what will happen? It will take that electron from hydrogen and release H plus ions. That means this acidic group will become more acidic. Acidic group is attached with a minus I effect group. What will happen is acidity will increase. We can see here that fluorine having more electronegative, so it is having high minus I effect. So when this acidic group, that is COO minus group, is attached with the fluorine, it will have a more acidic character. but its pKa value will decrease. We know that the acidity is inversely proportional to pKa value. And also one thing is this same, if that a molecule contain the same electronegative group or minus I effect, means its distance is far away from this acidic group, that means COO minus group. What will happen? Its acidity will decreases. Its acidity will decreases. Acidity will decreases. If it is near to these CO minus groups, its acidity will become high. If it is far away from CO group, acidity will become less. Once more, we are going to discuss about this application of inductive effect. First one is the stability of carbocation. Carbocation we already know, it is the positive charge on the carbon atom. So this positive charge, how it can stabilize? If there is any plus I effect group, that means electron releasing group, what will happen? That positive charge will be stabilized. So we can see that tertiary carbon having more plus I effect group, so that tertiary carbocation will be stabilized very easily than secondary, primary and methyl. The same thing we can see here. That means this carbocation is destabilized by replacing this plus I effect with the hydrogen atom. So what will happen? This carbocation stability decreases. Carbons are slightly electron rich and can donate these electrons to the carbocation. So alkyl group added to the carbocation will increase its stability. Hydrogen do not have excess electron density to donate. So adjacent hydrogen do not destabilize the carbocation. And next one is the minus I effect. If any acidic group containing molecule having another group which are more electronegative, that means electron withdrawing group, or that means minus I effect group is present in the molecule, means that acidity will increases, because that electronegative charge, electronegativity is higher in the case of minus I effect. So that will pull the electron towards it. So the acidic character will increase. While seeing this example, we can understand that. Here, this acidic group is COOH. So while releasing H plus ion, it will become COO minus. So if there is any electronegative group, that here it is a fluorine atom. Fluorine is here, means it will attract electron towards it. It electron withdrawing group. So what will happen? This oxygen's electron density will go towards this. So it will take electron from H. So it will easily remove that H as H plus ions. Then so means its acidity will increases. We know that acidic group or acidity means it is the release of H plus ions. So we can see that due to the presence of fluorine, its acidity is increases. And also we can just have a comparison that the electronegativity character is decreasing, means its acidity will decreases. And also we can know that pKa value is inversely proportional to K acidity. So higher the pKa value means it's having more less acidic. And here also we can see this is another thing, that is if there is any electron withdrawing group adjacent to this acidic group, its acidity will be more. But it is far away from this acidic group, means its acidity will become less. Here we can see this. Thank you.